Hello children, good afternoon. Good afternoon children. Hello, good afternoon. That's good. You know, when someone greets you, you should also greet them back. This is one of the good manners that you all should learn. So today, let us take up the topic, good manners. You know, we meet several people in our life, but do we remember all of them? No, we remember only those people who treat us nicely and make us feel comfortable with their good manners. They keep an imprint in our mind and we remember them for a very long time. Some people may be highly qualified, highly educated, very talented, but if they don't have good manners, if they don't speak politely with others, nobody remembers them. And you must inculcate all these good manners right from your childhood. As a child, you should learn to behave well with your family members, with your parents, grandparents, uncle, aunt, brother, sister, everybody. You should be very caring, loving and helpful. You should also be respectful and helpful towards your neighbors, your teachers and your friends. You know, a smile makes you look very beautiful. You have read in the poem, a smile, you smile at one, he smiles at you, and so one smile makes two. So when you smile at someone, he also smiles back at you. So make it a point whenever you meet somebody, greet them with a smile on your face and say good morning, good afternoon or good evening. Practice saying please, sorry, thank you and excuse me. When you want something from someone or when you seek permission, what should you say? Yes, very good. You should say please. Say please when you want something from someone or when you seek permission. For example, please may I take your pencil? Please may I go to the washroom? Please may I drink water? And when you hurt someone, first of all you should not hurt anybody, but sometimes it so happens that unknowingly we hurt someone with our action or with our words. Then what should we say? We should say I'm sorry. So say sorry when you make a mistake or when you hurt someone. When you make a mistake, don't hesitate to say sorry. And when someone gives you something or someone is good to you, then what do you say? Say thank you. Say thank you when someone helps you or gives you something. You remember the story Haldi's Adventure? There the giraffe Smiley helped Haldi reach school on time. And so Haldi turned back to thank the giraffe. So we should say thank you when someone is good to us. And when two people are talking, it is a good manner not to disturb them in between, not to interfere in between. But sometimes it so happens that you are in a great hurry or there is a great necessity and you wish to interrupt in between. Then you should say excuse me. Say excuse me when you interrupt someone in their conversation. When you bump into someone, then also you say excuse me. And when you sneeze in front of others, then also you say excuse me. Be polite and respectful towards others. This will make you a well-mannered child. And you know, a well-mannered child is liked by everyone. So when you speak to others, be polite. You may not agree with whatever they say, but you should not be rude with them. Speak to them politely and show your respect towards them. You know, kindness is a great virtue. Nowadays in this pandemic situation, you could hear the news that many people have helped the people with food and money. So being kind is very important. So love everyone and treat them with kindness. Not only be kind towards people, also be kind towards plants, animals, and all creations of God. And also be courteous. Treat everyone with courtesy. Do not make fun of others. If a new child comes to your class, do not make fun of him or her. Okay? Be truthful and honest. Do not tell a lie and try to be honest. Honesty is the best policy. If you are honest, people will respect you and they will like you for your honesty. Help everyone in need. Being punctual is very important. Reaching school on time or reaching your workplace on time or completing your work within the given time is called punctuality. If you are punctual, everybody will like you. So this is also an important good manner that you all should inculcate. Be responsible and obedient. You should take the responsibility of your work yourself. Do not blame anybody. So be responsible for your work and be obedient. Whatever your teacher or your parents tell you, you should listen to that. And another important thing is, do not talk during the class. That way you will miss out many of the important things that your teacher may deliver in the class. So be responsible for your work and do not talk during the class. Come to your home, you should respond with a smile. Whatever they ask you, even though you are not in a good frame of mind, even though you are not in a good mood, but please do not go away from there. You should respond whatever they ask you with a smile on your face. So children, I think by inculcating all these good manners, you will become a well-mannered child and you will be liked by everyone. So thank you. That's all for today. Bye-bye.